If you want to disable chat in League of Legends, then this video is for you. Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to disable chat in League of Legends. So let's dive right in. First, you can disable your chat from settings. To access the settings in game, you need to click on ESC button of your keyboard. Then you need to go to interface, scroll a little down, and you will find chat section here. Click on this drop down button and select it pre-made only. It's already selected in here, my account, and you can select same team or everyone. Same team, that means you can chat with only your team, and if you select everyone, that means you can chat with your team also with the enemy side team if you set everyone, but set it pre-made if you want to disable your chat. Then click on OK, then the setting will be saved, and from here you can also mute your mic or other players mic from here. Just simply you will get a mic icon, you can just simply click on it to mute them. Then that's how you can disable the chat or voice chat very easily. Now open the command prompt, click on slash and type on slash defeat and click on enter, and you will see a message that you have restricted yourself from using chat. Other players on your team will be notified. That means you can chat with anyone, or you don't want to chat with anyone, and you won't get any chat notification from your team or the enemy team, and you are totally restricted from chat options in or chat feature in the game. And don't worry, your teammate will be notified about this, that you restricted yourself from chatting. That's how you can disable chat in League of Legends. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.